Come on, honey, you know I'm no plastic. Let's give him a little something different, shall we? The first thing we need to do is get out of this plastic attire and put on some good old Janis comfy clothes, some black army print, some boots. Shit kicker boots are the most important thing, and I thought the emoji socks were also a good touch. First, take off all that plastic makeup. Start with a pretty much fresh face and get to it. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in True Beige number 222. I'm just taking a sponge and basically covering up all that crazy contouring that I had as a plastic. And just giving yourself a nice matte finish with some Fit Me Loose finishing powder. This is in Fair/Light number 10. I'm putting this everywhere, including my eyes to prime them. Singing a little bit of Mean Girls the Musical. If you keep watching, you might hear me sing a little bit. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Color Tattoo in Bad to the Bronze, which I haven't used in years. I feel like years ago everybody was using this. And just put it all over your lid to darken them up, make them a little smoky. In the movie I realized she has black, but I went for a more bronze look. Next, I'm taking a black kohl eyeliner. This one happens to be the Maybelline Gigi Hadid black kohl eyeliner, and I am completely lining the top and the bottom of the lashes and the waterline. You don't need a flick, you don't need anything, you just want to grunge it out, make it look as messy as possible, like as if Janice just woke up that day with makeup from last night on, which is super gross, but also kind of badass. I just love how Janice honestly doesn't care about what anybody thinks, and she just always looks really cool. Next, I'm taking my Lash Sensational by, yet again, Maybelline, and just putting that on the top and bottom lash line. Plumpier the better. Guys, tell me, who was your favorite Mean Girls character? I think mine was either Damien, Janice, or Glen Coco. You go Glen Coco. Next, I'm taking the Kat Von D black eyeshadow in Devotion, and I'm just setting my eyeliner in place. Next, I'm taking the Wet n Wild contour palette. This is just a matte brown color, and I'm just chiseling out my face a little bit. From the pictures I've seen of Janice and just from what I remember, she didn't wear a lot of blush. The blush she did wear was probably just so it didn't look like she was a ghost on camera. So I'm just taking Benefit's Dallas just to give a little bit of flush, but Janice is not all about that blush life. And same with the lips, all about being very natural with everything except the eyes. So I took NYX in the Liquid Suede. Ironically, it's called Soft Spoken, which Janice is not, and I love her for that. Now, on to the hair. The hair, I feel like, is the most iconic part of Janice's look. Just brush it all out, brush out those plastic curls, and part it on the right side of your head. Now take just a bit of a chunk on either side, you know, that early 2000s just grungy look that we all thought was so cute, where we'd have just the big chunks in front of our eyes. Like, it didn't look good at all. It just didn't. In the video, she just has it clipped up a lot, so I decided to do 2 space buns, just really messy space buns. I think that an updated Janice would do this. It would be super simple, and she would just throw up her hair. Again, it would be the same as probably the day before, because she doesn't care. She's up doing her art. She's up making collages. She's up saving her friends from disaster of all the plastics. Take some clips, clip it back, and then maybe just pin up a couple pieces if you feel like there's too much hair in the front. I felt like I had too much hair, so I would clip them back, but then I was just like, you know what? I wanna clip up a little bit more. And guys, this is the main look for Janice. Janice isn't all about the exterior. She wants to live her life. She wants her opinions heard. She wants to be a good friend. And I'm telling you guys, in this world full of plastics, you need a Janice. So guys, tell me down below. I wanna know, who is a Janice in your life? Who are some plastics in your life? And do you love them? Do you hate them? Tell me, I wanna know. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed my version of October 4th. No, October 3rd. He asked me what day it was. It was October 3rd. This year, October 3rd falls on a Wednesday, so I figured everybody's gonna be uploading something that has to do with being pink and with having to be a plastic. Well, you know what? Janice is the anti-plastic. Janice knows who she is, what she is, why she does it, and she doesn't care. That's what I love about Janice. I myself wish I could be more like Janice, so that's why I wanted to channel her today, the OG, Lizzy Caplan. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're in high school and watching this, or middle school, or if you're in college watching this, so much cliques going on. Find your tribe. Find the people that make you feel good. Be nice to people. And you know what? Even if it feels like high school is never over, because there's always going to be plastics, there's always going to be people that suck, you can still get through it because you've got your tribe, you've got your people. I've got you, you've got me, and we're just getting through it. Be fierce. Don't be fiercely cruel. Be kind. Be good, because you never know what someone else is going through. You got it, girl. I hope I see you in my next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace, love, subscribe. Bye!